Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to optimal health and wellness. Today, we're focusing on a topic close to our hearts: eye health. Our eyes are windows to the world, allowing us to experience life's wonders in vivid detail. But did you know that the foods we eat play a significant role in maintaining and even improving our vision? Join us as we explore the top 12 scientifically proven foods that not only protect your precious eyes, but also help repair and rejuvenate vision, including a surprising addition. Number 1. Carrots. Let's start with the classic carrots. These vibrant veggies are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, essential for good vision. Research suggests that regular consumption of carrots can help prevent night blindness and promote overall eye health. Number 2. Spinach. Popeye wasn't just boosting his muscles, he was also protecting his eyes. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that filter harmful light and shield the eyes from age-related damage. Number 3. Blueberries. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch when it comes to eye health. Rich in anthocyanins, blueberries help improve blood flow to the eyes, reduce inflammation, and enhance night vision. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is indeed a fish. It belongs to the Salmonidae family, which includes several species of fish known collectively as salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon are like superfood for your eyes. These healthy fats support the eye's cell membranes, reduce dryness, and lower the risk of macular degeneration. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs aren't just for breakfast, they're also fantastic for your eyes. Packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, eggs help protect against cataracts and age-related vision loss. Hey, everyone, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you find this kind of educational content useful, it would really help the channel if you press the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. By doing so, you will be the first to know when I upload new video like this one. You will also be supporting me and helping the channel, which mean a lot to me. So, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It is free and only take a second. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 6. Almonds. Looking for a snack that's good for your eyes? Reach for almonds. These nuts are rich in vitamin E, which helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage and supports overall eye health. Number 7. Oranges. Citrus fruits like oranges are bursting with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps maintain the health of blood vessels in the eyes and reduce the risk of cataracts. Number 8. Bell peppers. Add some color to your plate with bell peppers. These veggies are packed with vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lutein, all of which support eye health and protect against macular degeneration. Number 9. Kale. Kale isn't just a trendy superfood, it's also great for your eyes. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, kale helps maintain macular pigment density and supports visual function. Number 10. Sweet potatoes. Swap regular potatoes for sweet potatoes to boost your eye health. These root vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for good vision. Number 11. Walnuts. Snack on walnuts for a vision boost. These nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation in the eyes and support overall eye health. Number 12. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports eye health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that lycopene may help prevent cataracts and AMD. Now, for the surprising addition: dairy products. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of vitamin A and zinc, essential nutrients for maintaining healthy vision. Research has shown that consuming dairy products regularly can reduce the risk of night blindness, dry eyes, and age-related macular degeneration. Our eyes are precious, and it's essential to nourish them with the right nutrients to maintain optimal vision and prevent age-related eye diseases. By incorporating these 12 foods into your diet, you can protect your eyes and promote long-term eye health. Remember, a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids is key to preserving your vision for years to come. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your health and wellness. Until next time, take care of your eyes and see the world more clearly.